My name is Sariba Aziz and I'm in third year computer engineering. So FIRST Robotics, I was in FIRST Robotics in high school for 3 years, and to me it meant a great deal to me because it introduced me to engineering. It introduced me to all the different fields within engineering, not just the main one that you think about when you don't know anything about engineering, but you learn that there's a lot more to it. There's management side to it, there's programming. It's really exciting for me to see young students get excited about FIRST Robotics because we always see students participate and get excited about sports, and you see them cheering on for their teams. But this is something completely different, but they still have the same excitement for it because they made the robot all by themselves. To competitors, I would tell them that this is really your chance to learn all the different fields of engineering and get to know which fields you like, because not everyone in high school gets the opportunity to do something as hands-on as you guys do. So it's really great that you guys have this opportunity.